Morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my viewers and my subscribers. So today, it's gonna be a beauty day because I'm gonna show you some Lux Skin haul. So si Lux Skin and Lux Slim, kay Ana Magkawas to. Friend ko si Ana Magkawas. Nakasama ko siya sa Zion. So ngayon, lagi niya akong pinapadalan at pinapa-try ng mga products niya. And so far, so good lahat ng products, in all fairness sa kanya. Ito yung favorite ko na product niya. This one is the Taro Healthy Meal Diet. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Para siyang, ano ba, parang ube na creamy. Ube creamy siya. So this one, the Lux Slim Pro Meal Taro Hearty Meal Diet. This has, ayan, as you can see, may glutathione, may collagen. Alam nyo, guys, ang masasuggest ko sa inyo, I have lots of doctor friends na derma, allergologists, ganyan, mga magagaling sa skin na, mga pampaganda na derma. Most of them will advise me to just take glutathione capsules. Mas maganda yung iniinom. Or yun, mga tablets and yung mga ganito, yung may mga kasama. Rather than doing it via IV. So ngayon, napapanahon nga po pala yung issue ng kay Mariel Padilla, no? Yung nag-i-inject ng IV. To tell you honestly, guys, 19 years old pa lang ako. Nagtatry na ako ng glutathione inject. Alam nyo, it's really effective, but you know, before pa wala talagang, parang hindi talaga niya-approve na safe yung glutathione na IV. I don't know, I'm not sure ha. Pero ginagawa pa rin namin yun. Kasi nakikita mo talaga yung nag-glowing yung skin mo, maganda and all. So, hindi natin alam, 'di ba, kung ano talaga yung study nila about the IV. Pero ako, para mas safe, hindi na ako, nag-stop na ako magpagluta, inject, and IV, IVF. You all know, meron akong skin clinic, Skin by Leticia, shout out. So, hindi ako nagaganon, sa totoo lang. I take glutathione talaga. And I take lots of supplements. Siguro kaya din maganda yung skin ko. Kaya lang may hives. Maganda yung skin, may hives naman. Na-stress kasi ako lately, kaya may hives ako. Stress lang sa work, pero other than that, happy yung life ko. Sobrang happy. Happy ako sa asawa ko, happy ako sa mga anak ko, sa work and everything. Take glutathione capsules or powdery drink, whatever it is. So that's my advice for a glowing skin and younger and fresher skin. And ito pa, teka nangangalay na ako. Ihaharap ko yung product sa inyo para kitang-kita nyo. Meron ding ito, this one, Cantaloupe Melon. Masarap tong flavor na to. So, same lang din naman to. Iba-iba lang yung flavor. Ito din yung isang bestseller ni Ana, ni Lux Slim. Kasi pala, pampapayat din, pampasexy din talaga siya. So, if you want to less yung solid food nyo and take this, you will feel na sobrang full na full kayo. This is really good. It's full, so ang tendency, onti na lang kakainin mo. And then also this one naman, pag sawa ka na dito sa flavor na to, you can also take this one. It's a juice, beauty juice. Alam mo, you know what I really love about Lux Beauty and Lux Slim? They're really good flavors. Look at this, oh. Cucumber and dalandan. Sinong hindi magkakagusto sa cucumber and dalandan? Like, most of us, sobrang favorite yung flavors na to. And the melon. And the taro. I don't know about you, but they are all my favorite flavors. Sobrang galing ni Ana to think about that. Kasi talagang na-hit niya yung utak ng mga tao, no? Na, it's gonna be a good drink. Kasi, to tell you honestly, masarap uminom talaga ng mga supplements pag masarap yung lasa, diba? So, look. Oh guys, ayan, nakikita niyo yung face ko, walang makeup, gising lang, walang pilik mata, walang ayumi, hindi pa ako nagpapa-ayumi. Kilay lang yan. Walang pores, aminin. So, di ba? Yan lang yung mga beauty secret ko. Sobrang dami kong tinitake na supplements. You should believe to glutathione supplements, collagen. Ako, grabe ako lumaklak ng collagen. And speaking of mga drink, ako favorite ko talaga yan. As in, bata pa lang ako, dalaga pa lang ako, I started taking them na. You know, I don't look perfect. My face is not perfect. I have flaws also. But at least, alam ko na, it looks healthy. Importante naman, healthy yung skin natin, di ba? Ito yung launch niya lang na si Maring Dimples Romana ang endorser nito. Grabe, alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, sis, you have to try my new product kasi grabe, nawala daw talaga yung mga sipon-sipon niya dito, mga ubo niya, lumakas daw yung resistensya niya. Biruin mo, ganda na ng health mo, ang ganda pa ng skin mo. 'Di ba? Ang ganda pa. This one is the Colavera. Colavera. So, syempre may collagen ulit. Hydro, kasi syempre pag tumatanda kayo, elasticity ng skin mo needs more collagen. Kaya you have to take as much as collagen as you can. Hydrolyzed collagen, fish collagen peptide naman to with aloe vera and zinc. O zinc is pampalakas ng resistensya. Yung aloe vera is, as we all know, pampaganda ng hair, ng nails, yeah, and collagen ng skin. So this one, I'll show you, I will open it kasi mas masarap to na nasa ref. So ilalagay ko muna siya sa ref at isa-shot ko siya na parang tequila. Mahiyaan lang ng una. Gusto mo na tequila. Ganun. Yan. So, wait lang. I'll show you. Chanan! There you go. My gosh. Alam nyo ba, adik na adik ako dito sa mga ganito. Sobrang happy ko. Sabi ko kay Ana, you know what? I'm gonna take everything you give me. So, there you go. If you want to look at it further, you can Google them and follow their Instagram and Facebook so that or just order ASAP, you know, 2468, it doesn't hurt. Try nyo. So, here's the benefits na lang. Treat certain skin conditions. It has antioxidant properties. Prevent cavities. Oh, wow. Improve liver and kidney. Lower blood sugar in diabetics. Boost immune system. Reduces signs of aging. Relieves constipation, cooling and repairing sunburned skin, and promotes hair growth. Ano ba yan? Lesleyone, ang lahat. Masarap to pag malamig. And also, grabe, parang pinagsama-sama. Lahat ng mga iniinom ko na ganito, parang pinagsama-sama ni Ana sa isang bottle. And hindi lang si Ana, kasi meron na siya talaga mga professional doctors na nagsama-sama nitong ingredients na to, etong mga nutrition facts nito para mas maging bongga ang product. Ang galing. Sobra. I'm so impressed. I'm amazed. Ana, you're so amazing. That's why ang yaman-yaman mo na talaga. Kasi talagang grabe talaga si Ana. Lahat pinasok, skin and all. Oh, marami pa dito. I-chika ko pa sa inyo yung ibang products natin. So yan, lalagay ko sa ref to. And I'm gonna take this 2 times a day, morning and evening. Yan. Kung pwede, no? Pero ano ba nakalagay dito? Sige, I'll read it. O morning o evening. Sabi ba dito ay 2 times a day. Recommended usage. 1 bottle per day lang. Okay, sige. Mag 1 bottle tayo. Carry yan. And then also, of course, this is one of my favorite also. Lux Skin Beauty Talks Booster C+, C Vitamin C with collagen na naman. Oh, you cannot have enough collagen. That's life. Kaya lalo na pag mga katulad ko na 37 years old na, turning 38 this May, we need collagen. Of course, after you drink all those pampaganda and pampasexy, pampafresh, it's time to treat your outer skin naman. So the outer skin, you can use this activated charcoal facial wash. For men pala to. Pero minsan ginagamit ko rin to kasi maganda din siya. Pwede so kay Rico to. Tama-tama. Bongga to kay Rico. So, okay. So, I also have this one. Shimmer Whitening Lotion. Ganda nito. Kumikinang-kinang na yung skin mo. May shimmer-shimmer yung skin mo. May whitening na effect. At may SPF pa. Sobrang importante ng SPF sa skin natin. Everyday, kailangan natin mag-sunblock. And, syempre may soap for men also. Charcoal. Pwede rin to sa babae, actually. 24K Gold Brightening Soap. Ay, bagay pala sa akin to dahil 26K ako dati. Charot! So, ayan. 26K ako ni Miss Chris Aquino. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, I started in Deal or No Deal. Kapamilya, Deal or No Deal. Jack! Buksan mo na! Ganun. Oo. Ayan. So, there. And ito, yung product ni Marian Rivera. Si Marian Rivera ang nag-promote nito. Bongga ni Ana, talaga Marian Rivera, Dimples Romana, ganyan lang naman po ang kanyang mga endorser. Talagang yung mga endorser na naniniwala talaga sa product niya. Knowing Marian Rivera, hindi basta-basta mag-endorse na alam niya hindi maganda. Yes! This is a Crème de Lac Silicone Sunscreen Gel siya. Non-greasy, Favorite ko to sa SPF. Did you know that you have to apply SPF, anything na sunblock? Dahil yan ang nakakapagpapekas, yung mga sunblock and wrinkle skin. Kaya as you can see, bukod sa Botox, paminsan-minsan, nagpapabotox ako, pero very, very light lang. Yan, wala tayong masyadong mga freckles. Alam nyo yan, aminin nyo, walang pores. Dahil yan sa sunblock. Ang sekreto lang talaga is sunblock. So, there you go. So far, ito po lang ang aking, ito lahat yung mga ni-request ko kay Ana. And talagang sabi ko, siguro ito, alam niya rin na ito yung needs ko. Kasi alam niya rin na hindi naman sa maarte, maalagang girl ako sa skin and sa body. Kaya pinadala niya ako ng ganito. Thank you so much again to Lux Skin, Lux Beauty, Lux Slim, and of course to Ana Magkawas. Thank you sis. I love you and I'll see you soon. Bye! So, ang ganda ng packaging niya, no? Sobrang social. Ito yun. Booster C plus C, Vitamin C with collagen. Of course, this is the Cola Vera drink. The Cola Vera drink. And sunlight is my filter. So everyone, we have to get ready because dry season is coming. So load up all your beauty supplements and vitamins, di ba? Para hindi lang tayo sexy, hindi lang tayo fresh, and also, importante sa lahat, we're healthy. Healthy for our family, and for our career, and of course, for the Lord. Diba? Dapat lagi tayo, dahil sabi naman din talaga sa Bible, alagaan natin ang ating mga katawan. Thank you for watching my beauty vlog, and thanks again to Ana Magkawas, my friend. I'll see you soon. I love you, sis!